Hello everyone. So if you try to take the Proctor test using Honorlock, so for example, let's go to model 0, week 1. There is an Honorlock practice exam, and if you click that, you'll be able to see my MATLAB homework assignments link. And if you go to the MyLab, MyLab Math and try to take this all assignments, here is the Honorlock practice assessment. If you click that, it asks you the password, but you don't have password, and I'm not going to provide you password. That's the reason you need to use the honor log. For that, what you have to do is you can go back to the course content, just leave this thing as it is and go back to the course content, and there either you can go to the honor log proctoring folder, and there you are going to see where is that. It's not here, so let's go to honor log exams. You see the proctor test using Honorlock. If you click there, you will be able to see Honorlock practice assessment. The name of the assignment, Honorlock practice assessment, you are going to see that here. So now instead of result or setting, for you it will be start the test. You can click that link and then go through the verification process. Um, you have to show your ID, you have to show your working space, and then after that the Unlock will be ready to put the password for you. And then whenever it's ready, just come here and then it will put the password for you, and then after that you can start the test. Okay, that's how you're supposed to do. If you need more assistant, or if you need more explanation, you can go back to this Unlock proctoring folder here, and there is a how to use Unlock link. Click there and then you'll have a video tutorial as well, so that will help you to understand the process. Okay, hopefully you'll be able to take the test using Honor Lock. Otherwise, feel free to email me. Okay, all the best.